हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रवि तितलिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ डेली यूज़ हिंदी इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू इन्हेंस योर इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी as well as your English fluency. So don't forget to watch the video till end. Let's start with the first vocabulary word. The first word is agree. It means सहमत होना. The next word is attract. It means आकर्षित करना. The next word is care. It means देखभाल करना. The next word is dislike. It means नापसंद. The next word is fear. It means डरना. The next word is hear. It means सुनना. The next word is need. It means जरूरत होना. The next word is believe. It means विश्वास करना. The next word is cost. It means कीमत होना. The next word is forget. It means भूलना. The next word is imagine. It means कल्पना करना. The next word is regret. It means बुरा लगना. The next word is respect. It means आदर करना. The next word is think. It means सोचना. The next word is remember. It means याद करना. The next word is suppose. It means कल्पना करना. The next word is trust. It means विश्वास रखना. The next word is appear. It means प्रकट होना. The next word is hate. It means घृणा करना. The next word is forgive. It means क्षमा करना. The next word is write. It means लिखना. The next word is teach. It means पढ़ाना. The next word is change. It means बदलना. The next word is burn. It means जलाना. The next word is catch. It means पकड़ना. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video for more videos.